morning, YouTube, and we're going to do another bus tour of this beautiful bus here with a nice motto, simplify. So let's head in and we'll take a look around.
So it's a 1995 40-foot Amtran. Came from Grants Pass, Oregon. It was about $2,400. It had seating for 83, and I took all the seats out, took all the windows out, took it down to basically bare metal inside and out. Caulked and sealed the roof, put roof coating on it, painted it inside and out. In the back there's a king-size bed, and under the bed there are two 100-gallon water tanks. There's a precision temp instant hot water heater, runs on propane. The propane tank is mounted up underneath over here. It's 14 gallons. So the refrigerator runs on propane or electricity, but I keep it on the propane most of the time.
Right.
The hot water's propane, and the stove there is propane, and that's just a camp stove. I took the legs off of it, and I apologize for the mess, but you can see the double sink, and then if we come on back this way.
Yeah, all kinds of storage underneath, which is always nice. And a little desk area.
Yeah, a little desk. Got the side door. The lights turned on here. There's a bathtub. We can fill it with hot water. There's a regular flushing toilet. So underneath here, there's two 70-gallon tanks. One's a gray tank and one's a black tank.
Okay.
These are just closets. I mean, I thought I'd put a washer dryer in there. We never have. It's just a closet. But the whole thing is pretty comfortable. I mean, with a king-size bed and a bathtub and a flushing toilet and a...
Now you got like garage storage space back and back.
That's right. That's like a garage. And that area back there where that guitar is a really nice seating area. You know, you can take all the stuff down and all the windows there, and the sun shines in, and it's very comfortable back there. Very nice. Lots of storage, more storage than we need, really. We have extra room, which you wouldn't think you would, but
well, that's the one thing I found is that if it keeps me from accumulating too much stuff because I don't run out of storage space.
Yeah, that's right. We've been on it about a year and a half. We absolutely love it, and we lived in normal houses, raised kids, and all that sort of stuff, and now we're doing this, and it's pretty darn cool.
Yeah.
We like it a lot. It agrees with us. So
I have trouble envisioning myself living in a house again.
I do too. Most of what you see in here is more a reflection of my wife. I mean, I built all the stuff that's in here, but all the color and everything else is really more a reflection of her. She made the curtains and all the painting and all that kind of stuff. So, there's two fans in the ceiling. There's 600 watts of solar panels on the roof. There's 3 Lifeline DL batteries, and they're big. They're about 165 pounds each. That's about 750 amp hours. And so it goes from the solar panels to a Midnight 150 SL charge controller into the batteries, into a Xantrex 3000 inverter, and then we've got either 12 volt, most everything runs on 12 volt, or I can plug in, turn the inverter on and plug in 110. The systems inside the bus are not connected to the bus at all. So the bus systems are completely independent from all the house systems. With 200 gallons of fresh water and two 70-gallon waste tanks and a 14-gallon propane tank, the two of us can park and not plug in and not move for 2 weeks without any trouble at all, and take a bath every few days,
I've noticed that
pretty comfortable.
You start being conscious of how much water. I've only got 42 gallons.
Right.
But every other day is plenty to take a shower. If I get really, really dirty, well, I'll take one out of sequence.
Right. Yeah, exactly. I mean, you just do what you need to do. So.
Very nice.
There's 2 air conditioners in the roof, but we very seldom use them because you have to plug in. I've actually only plugged them in and turned them on, I think, twice in a year and a half. But we kind of follow the 70-degree weather too. So.
Right. I don't have air conditioners, and you open up the windows.
Right.
I've got fans in the roof that'll suck some of the air out. I
Right.
wish I hadn't. I know you took your hatch out.
Right.
I wish I had left mine in,
Yeah.
just so I could have pop it and just vent a lot of hot air. But
Right.
the next bus.
Yeah, I'd like to be able to get up on the roof because just to clean the solar panels,
Oh yeah.
and that would be a nice way to get up.
Yep. A lot easier than climbing up the ladder on the outside.
Right.
Yeah.
I spent quite a bit of time on the roof, prepping it and painting it and everything, and it's kind of scary up there. I mean,
Yeah.
it's pretty far off the ground, and you don't.
Yeah, when I was
you don't wanna
20, I'd
fall
jump off that
Right.
roof. It's
right.
only 10 feet.
Yeah, I don't want to fall off of it anymore.
Now,
so,
no.
But
Well,
anyway,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
And you don't have a YouTube channel or anything like that?
No,
or? Okay.
no.
All right.
I'm
Well,
actually more into low profile.
Yeah. I get that. All right. Well, thank you. And
You're welcome.
I'm going to take a look at some of the other schoolies around.
You're welcome.
Love being a schoolie palooza.
Yeah, this has been a cool event.
Yep.
I hope we'll do it again next year.
See you later, YouTube. We'll see you another schoolie.